Hi there, in this final screencast for the button bashing game, I'm going to show you how to add audio sound effects to your game. So right up, I'm going to have to declare a few variables, and I'm going to have to declare two variables for each sound that I want to play. And so I'm going to call, one of them is going to be of type sound effect instance. And I will call that, let's see, I'll call that flap sound effect instance. And then another one is just going to be sound effect, and I'll call that flap sound effect. Alright, so now I need to go and add the WAV files to my content folder. So I go over to Solution Explorer, right click, oops, no, you can't see that. Let me move this over there. Now I think you can see it. I'm going to right click on Add Existing File or Add Existing Item, and then I'm going to browse the F drive over to where I have ICS sounds, and then I'm gonna go down to Flappy Bird flapping sound, and then I'm going to add that, and then I'll also add the ding, and I'll play that when somebody wins. So I'm going to do add again, add existing item, and I'm going to go to ding. So let's see, Flappy Bird ding. Okay, so now I have two sounds, and now I need to go down to load content. Okay, in load content, I need two lines of code. I need one that says flap sound effect equals this dot content dot load, and then it's going to be sound effect, and then the name of it is Flappy Bird flapping sound. Flappy Bird, let me get rid of that, flapping sound. Okay, and then I also need to do this. I need to say flap sound effect instance equals flap sound effect dot create instance. And I'm going to do the same thing for the ding sound. So let's see, did I make variables for it? I don't know that I did. No, I didn't. So I'm going to do ding sound effect instance, and I'm going to do create a ding sound effect variable. Sound effect. Okay, so I need to go back down to the load content method, and I'm going to add the two lines of code, and this is going to be ding and ding, and then this needs to be Flappy Bird ding, and oh yeah, this needs to be ding. Okay, so now I'm ready to play my sound effects anytime I want to in the rest of the program. So I'm going to do, let's see, when the game is running, whenever the player moves, I'm going to play the flapping sound. So I'm going to say flap sound effect dot play. And then I'm going to do the same one for the other guy. So flap sound effect dot play. Okay, and now let's see. When somebody wins the game, I'm going to play the ding sound. Sound effect dot, no, it's ding sound effect dot play. Ding sound effect dot play. And ding sound effect dot play. And I think I can do, let's see, play. Yeah, all I can do is that. You know what? Let me see if I play it 3 times, what happens. Uh, Consecutively. If I'm going to get a ding, 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 hopefully I will. And that's pretty much it. So now, let's see if it works. All right, so, and I have the audio turned off on my computer, so we wouldn't hear it even if it was working. So now let's try it again. I can find the game. I think you can hopefully hear it. I'm going to take the microphone off and take it over there. All right, I guess the ding just sounded once, but that's okay. Maybe we'll just go back and have it only sound 1 time. So I'm going to go back to where somebody wins, and I'm just going to leave 1 ding in there. I wasn't sure if that was going to work. Ooh, that's the wrong program. All right, so let's just put 1 in there. And get rid of the other 2. All right, that's pretty much it. Um, Hope this was helpful, and I really want you guys to finish this project pretty quickly so we can move on to the actual Flappy Bird game, or an actual game with collisions, and that'll be it for our Xbox programming before we can move on to mobile programming. All right, cheers.